Shit-faced science. Ben here. I know what you're wondering. What the hell is this little creepy dude behind me in every video? Not Bob Saget. No, I'm talking about this little dude. This is called a drinking bird. So everybody knows this guy, he's got a drinking problem, right? But what you might not know is he's actually a very prolific actor. He hasn't won an Oscar or anything, but he has won a BAFTA, I think. But you may recognize this insatiable birdie from such films as The Power, Darkman, When Harry Met Sally, Max Payne, and Mad Men. And don't forget about the Alien franchise. The Alien movies have this guy in that. He's in that. I checked the IMDb. He did The Simpsons. He did a couple episodes on The Simpsons. Everybody knows that.
It's drinking the water!
Another movie he did, which is one of my favorite movies, is Wish Upon a Gimbal by Modern Minkus Productions. But you know what? One thing's always bothered me. Like, I love the engineering behind it, but he's barely even creepy. He's so tiny, he's so small, I can just knock him over. I could blow him over if I could. If I had the lung capacity, I could blow him over and just take his acting money. I want to build a fucking big one. I want to build like one that's like 7 feet tall, peering down at me with his fucking googly eyes, and just making me really confront my mortality. So before we build this thing, we need to know how it works. This guy, he's got, you see that orange shit inside of him? That's called dichloromethane. It's a very volatile liquid. It's a very volatile chemical. If you notice, when I heat up its ass, the liquid gets sucked up into the tube. And when it gets sucked up into the tube, it goes up into his head. And when it gets in his head, it makes his head heavy. Whenever it dips, the air bubble travels from the top of the head to the ass again, and the pressure equalizes. So the pressure in the head is lower than the ass, causing the liquid to suck up the straw. That's the same reason we suck up a milkshake. Fuck.
Wait, just say, I'm gonna build the big one.
I'm gonna build the big one. Alright, so if I'm gonna make a big one, if I'm gonna make a tall one that's gonna scare me, what kind of stuff can I make it out of, right? So I was looking for like acrylic orbs, balls online, and I came across these. This is a like a street light bulb. I found a company that sells cylinders. Quick shout out to the fucking plastic company that sold me these cylinder. They wrote me this fucking sweet letter. I keep it on my fridge to make me happy. It's from the United States Plastic Corp. Thank you for your recent order and welcome to the United States Plastic Corp. Our goal is to give you everything you need, same-day shipping. Discounts on brand name products, the latest plastic products, and technical support. Your order was a real encouragement to us. We just want to say thank you, and we look forward to serving you more in the future. Sincerely, customer service at United States Plastic Corp. P.S. Keep your eyes on your mailbox for the latest catalog for new products. It's so sweet. I was a real encouragement to them. You know, with COVID, it's hard to sell plastic. So sweet. I'm gonna put these together, and to connect them, I'm gonna use some name brand ass flex tape, like Flex Seal, like the meme. I'm going to use some pipe collars to make a collar for his neck, like a choker on a goth chick. Before I use power tools and inhale paint fumes, I need to get more drunk. I really, hold on. We need a cocktail. Jackson!
Oh, well, everybody's heard about the bird. Bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner, well, a bird, bird, bird. Bird is a winner, well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, a bird is a winner, well, a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner, well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, a bird is a winner, well, a bird, bird. The bird's a winner, well, a bird.
Ah, my favorite drink, the bird feeder. Let's put a little extra lime in it. A little bit more! You can shake the camera artificially now. It tastes so fucking bad. That's like way worse than I expected. God! Can you make me a better drink? Fuck! Oh, that's much better. All right, so to start off, I gotta build the base of the bird. It's gotta have something to stand on. So I'm gonna use this here plywood. Don't pay any attention to the words power bottom on it. That's none of your concern. I'm gonna screw some 2x4s to the plywood. That's completely fucking stripped. That's amazing. Oh, it's hot! I don't need help, okay? Got it! First try. Completely stripped. That'll do it.
The base Ben's making is actually from our short film Goal from Ipanema. We built, well, I should say Ben built a fake set that we dragged to the beach for the surprise ending of the film.
Ruby. It's too small. That was a whole ass ordeal. So I cut the in-betweeny brace. I cut it too small. So I try to cut a wedge to put in between. I'm gonna secure the in-between support to the tall guys. Two's probably fine. Let's do the other side. It's probably fine. We get the support structure. Now it's time to build the legs. Swipe screen transition. I'm gonna make legs with this thing. I made 2 right feet. Wah, wah. Wah, wah. Perfect. Putting the right leg on. One leg, done. Left leg, now, commence. Love that noise. Sounds like power. Dude, you know what? Sawing, it really sobered me up. I sorted a lot of the alcohol out when I was sawing. Okay, now that I have the legs posted, I need to cut the notch where the cross brace is gonna go, where it pivots. Okay guys, now all I have to do is build the cross brace with the collar in the middle. So for the collar, I'm gonna have 2 pipe clamps, and I'm gonna have a strap strapping the pipe clamp to a 2x4. That's it, it's perfect. All right, now it's time to put the body of the bird together. Use my motherfucking flex tape to seal the joints. Bill Swift, come on the show. Fuck, I'm so nervous. And it worked. That was a severe waste of money. I probably could have cut the tape like by a quarter and used a quarter of the tape. But you know what? Fuck it. Shit-faced science. This is what Patreon's for. Jackson, please set up a Patreon. Okay, now that I got Flex Seal on it, I'm gonna duct tape the crap out of it. You know what it looks like? It looks like a fucking Tesla coil. It looks fucking cool as shit. That's the bird right there. That's his head. All right, I got the head on. Now I gotta put the chemical inside and put on the ass. But instead of dichloromethane, I'm gonna put a different volatile chemical. A volatile chemical that makes me volatile. And I'm talking about cheap vodka. To help us see the vodka, I'm gonna put some food coloring in it. Hell yeah. Am I blue?
That's on your teeth. How the fuck did that happen?
Yeah. Fuck yeah. Oh, I'm really excited now. Oh, bro, I don't have any vodka left. Got it. Hey, bro, can you hand me the fucking duct tape? God. Fuck! Hey, look at me, I'm Slash. We got the top hat. Now we just need a beak. Soccer all the way, soccer, and this is what it is. Oh, that smells like paint. So I made the bird. Let's see if this motherfucker will work. I'm gonna light his ass on fire, and we'll see if he drinks as much as I can. Just like the small bird, I'm gonna wet his head with some vodka. It's fine. I got a fire extinguisher. What the fuck was that? Oh, okay, 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 okay. Okay, all right, I'm gonna have to use the fire extinguisher. Oh, it's drinking! Yay! So I got a fire extinguisher, bro.
That's still on fire.
Isn't it cool? Yay! Fuck. In the next episode, we're gonna play with thermite. Stay shitty, nerds. Okay, I'm drunk. It's like a fucking kid or something. Oh, where am I?